Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV's Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School Morning Sheet. Today I am going to take an English first paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, Lesson 9 discussions. So let's see. Class 6, subject English first paper. Topic Lesson 9 discussion, term annual, Lecture-20, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number, this is messenger ID, and today's date 29/11/2020. So let's start our class today. So topic Lesson 9, health is wealth. Annual term Lecture-20. Read the following passages and then answer the questions below it. A proverb has it that health is wealth. To keep healthy is to keep free from disease and anxiety. So if anyone says that I'm healthy, he has to keep free from disease and anxiety. Good health is proper functioning of all body organs. Functioning means activity. It is also feeling well both in body and in mind. People in good health are active, cheerful, and happy. If you are healthy, you can be happy and can help others in society as well. To keep in good health, we should be careful about hygiene. The rules and practices of keeping good health are called hygiene. We must practice the rules of hygiene. So, prepare food and nutrition, physical exercise, rest and sleep, cleanliness and proper medicare are essential for good health. So, number 1, guess the meaning of the following words and choose the correct meaning closest to the text. So, number 1 is proverb means fact, text, saying, reality. So proverb means one kinds of saying. Okay. Number B, health means illness, fitness, sickness, ailment. You can see these three words, illness, sickness, and ailment. These are the similar words. And so health means fitness. Number C, wealth means poverty, distress, hardship, asset. So poverty means poverty, and distress and hardship means suffering. These are the similar words. So wealth means our answer will be asset. Number D, disease means health, illness, strength, fitness. So a disease means illness, sickness, ailment. Okay, so answer will be illness. Number E, anxiety means relaxation, relief, worry, fitness. So anxiety means anxious about something, worried about something. So answer will be worry. Proper means wrong. Number 1, wrong. Number 2, incorrect. Number 3, unjust. Number 4, accurate. So proper means accurate. Number G, function means inaction, the opposite of function, activity, inactivity, and lethargy. Lethargy means tired, fatigued, exhausted. Okay, so our answer will be function means activity. Feel means appreciate means praise, appear, perceive, endure. So feel means how do you feel, how do you conceive, perceive. So answer will be perceive. Number I, society means community, sameness, kinship, identity. So society means community. We live in a society means we are living in a community also. Number J, active means passive, hardworking, inactive, lazy. So active means we say hardworking. Number K, essential means inessential, unnecessary, unwanted. necessary. So inessential and unnecessary are the similar words. Unwanted is also the opposite of necessary. So essential means necessary. Cleanliness means insanitariness, dirtiness, neatness, filth. So dirty and filth, the opposite of this cleanliness. Cleanliness means the neatness. Okay, so that's all for today, my dear students. So keep practicing at home, avoid your parents, stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.